Today we will discuss about the Mueller's method. Recall that the second method projects a straight line in approximating the root of our function. Now in the Mueller's method, we are projecting a parabola in our given function to find the root of the function. So we are required to have an initial guesses of that three initial guesses that determines our parabola. That 3 points will give us coefficients, and these coefficients will determine our parabola or give the characteristics of our parabola, and this will be used in approximating our root. So if we are given 3 points initial guesses of our parabola, and we can approximate our root by finding the coefficients of the parabola. These coefficients will be evaluated so that we can get the approximate value of our root. So the coefficients are HO, delta 0, delta 1, H1. Now if first we are going to find HO to be able to find delta 0 and delta 1. So the values of our quadratic equation ABC can be found by deriving the value of ABC from these equations. And the next, our approximated root can be derived by this equation. And then the next approximate or the next iteration will be repeated by all of the procedures we will be doing. So let's have an example. If we are given the function x cubed minus 13x minus 12 with an initial guesses of 4.5, 5.5, and -5. So we are going to substitute these values in our equation to be able to find f of xi, f of xi plus 1, and f of xi plus 2. So substituting the values will give us 20.725, 82.875, and 48. With these values, we can get our ABC by the formula we derived a while ago. And then finding the approximated x will be 3.975 using the formula x sub 2 plus negative 2c over b plus negative square root of b squared minus 4ac. And we are going to find the relative error. The relative error is 25.6124. Now, if we are going to repeat the iteration or the procedures, we will get these values. And we can observe that the percentage error is very low. And if we are going to repeat it again and again, our approximated root will be as near as our 0% of relative error. That's it.